Okay, so I'm just going to show you really quickly how to make foam that you might want to use for different things. So first of all, we're going to start off by putting just a drop of food colouring in. I'm going to use red because we're going to be pretending it's fire. Quite a lot of food colouring there. And then you're going to put in quite a lot of bubble bath. Just squeeze all the bubble out. I put in quite a lot there. Water, you only need a little bit, just a drizzle. So I'm going to just pour in just a drizzle of water, not very much, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to use a whisk to quickly whisk it into foam. You can also use a food processor. A food processor will be quicker. See, the more you whisk it, the foamier it's getting. So I can see I've done that just for a few minutes, and you can see it's already able to sort of make shapes with it. I mean, you can use that for whatever you want. So you can use it for role play. We're pretending it's firing and straight over buildings, and then they can then get their little syringes, fill it up with water, and then you can pretend that they are putting out fire by squirting it. Or again, you can use a spray bottle to as well.